Now I think Arya is ready for this delivery. And Arya connects that. But the fielder is there again. Arya will have a really short stay at the crease. G. Patel, new batter in, and will up the mark with the 4. That is well played. Ball is running away and will be 4 runs. Exclusive shot that on the up. Lofted straight drive, I would say. That is uppish. Outside edge and will be 4. And another bound. Smith on strike and he gets him. Danish Patel strikes. And his second ball gets Smith J. Patel out. A huge swing of the blade, but he just could not get it. Missed the line of the ball. As well, Danish. He thought he had his man. That is really well driven. Really good shot that in the gap from Kocher. और इस बार थोड़ी खराब गेंद थी, अच्छे से उसको स्वीप करते हुए पवित्र पटेल और चौका मिलेगा.
Ahmedabad Arrows on 51 and that's a hit. Pavitra Patel goes for a huge hit above the mid wicket. That's a straight hit and in the hands of the fielder at long on. Pavitra Patel is taken out with, and he finds a gap between point and third man, goes for a boundary.
Crossed up, hit well, but the fielder will get it. Vikas with the catch, good catch I believe, because he had to run, he had to cover the distance, but safe hands. The Arrows lose their 4th wicket. Now Drag drives it and should be 4 runs. Cracker of a shot that. Well under control. Yes, Doshi with that boundary. Down to Drag, it is up in the air where that has gone straight into the fielder's hands. Jamit, I think he takes the catch. 5th wicket has fallen for Arrows. Yes, Doshi वापस जाएंगे.
Oh, there's an appeal and been given out. Rinkesh gets his man in the form of Rudra Patel and 99 for the loss of 7 wickets. Ahmedabad Arrows losing yet another man. That's the end of the over and here's a run out. Another one crumbling. Another one going back home. And with that, the 8th wicket now coming up.
Vikas around the wicket से आते हुए इस बार कैच लिया जाएगा. दुष्यंत सोनी की इनिंग्स समाप्त होगी. विकास को मिलेगा पहला विकेट. सौरभ ने कैच लिया है और पवनीत भाई भी वापस आ चुके हैं हमारे साथ. ये भी हवा में है पर मुझे लगता है अच्छा कनेक्शन हुआ है और 6 रन मिलेंगे. हालांकि outside edge will be 4 runs. Parekh no show baki છે. This game top scorer was Pavitra with 36. All others contributed, all got starts, but nobody could get going to get a big score. That's it from the first innings. We will have the next run innings, that the run chase coming up. 3 wickets for Danish Patel with the ball, 2 wickets for Saurabh Prajapati. We will have the run chase coming up, but before that we will have the short innings break. So we will have the run chase after that. As partnership was 31, I think that's the story. There was not big enough partnership.
वो मतलब पर्पल कैप जीते हैं. विकास महाला भी साबरमती स्ट्राइक. और ये देखिए यहाँ पर इन्होंने बॉल की पेस को यूज किया, स्लाइड दिशा दिखाई, 4 रन मिले इस समय यहाँ पर टीम साबरमती स्ट्राइकर्स को. सौरभ चौहान द्वारा ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट यहाँ पर. The target is not too much far. आप ले सकते हैं टाइम. ये हवा में है बॉल, but has it covered the distance? Oh yes it has. 6 coming up. Like I said, he's taking his time and rightly so. He has proved me in the. Do remember SDI earlier we never used to like it was. Oh, firstly we'll talk about the shot. Boundary. Third man outside edge and in the direction of the third man. Changed over the years. SDI Ahmedabad. Incredible, yaar, incredible.
Nicely driven. What a shot that is. Shot of the game, shot of the match, shot of the day from Saurabh Chauhan.
Oh, that's a fall on the pitch. Back foot and a 4 coming up for team Sabarmati Strikers. 4 coming up from the bat of Stock.
And Arya has got a wicket.
The breakthrough that Ahmedabad Arrows needed, and Arya Desai has the breakthrough. He took it upon himself to get the much needed wicket, and that's in the air, and a boundary coming up for team Sabarmati Strikers and Alsaz Khan. Saurav on strike and plays it backward. Will get a 4 easily. स्ट्राइक पे है सौरभ चौहान और स्ट्रेट शॉट मारा है. स्ट्रेट में 1 bounce 4 from Saurabh Chauhan, right next to the cameraman in there.
Unstoppable at times. Make some room. This should be another boundary. Yes, it is.
A very costly over, this one, when we talk about Team Ahmedabad Arrows.
That is in the slot and that has disappeared. Huge 6 from Saurabh Chauhan. Cut away nicely, and that's, I guess, winning runs for his team. Strikers get Sabarmati Strikers have won this by 8 wickets. Once again, teams chasing winning in the CPL. That's the match summary. Ahmedabad Arrows had got